Katy is our Ohana. West Houston and even Houston is our Ohana.
Ohana Garage Doors, how can I help you?
Our company is built on customer experience, 100% customer experience. In my previous background, I was in the corporate environment. I was in management to the point where I saw the hypocrisy of delivering one message to your customer and talking about trying to deliver another one in the background. And that was part of the corporate culture, and that just didn't work well for me because I need to sleep at night. Integrity is extremely important to us. When we were picking the name, we were trying to come up with a name that had something to do with family, and then we tried The Family, but if you say The Family, it'd be like, hey, what are you doing? Hey, this is Vinny. And actually my son came up with the idea and he said, what about Ohana?
Yeah.
So not only does the name sound good, but the name totally, that embodies what our philosophy is. I mean, we are involved in the day-to-day business. When someone calls, chances are excellent that they're going to talk to Maureen or they're going to talk to myself. And we're going to immediately send them a confirmation of that. The day before their appointment, they get a second confirmation. Most people don't take into account is on average there's 161 moving parts on a garage door. So after 12, 15 years or whatever the time frame is, you have a part that goes out, that one part may be broken, but out of 161 parts that are going to wear out eventually, chances are something else is going to need to be replaced. We go over the door and we'll start with a complete inspection of the door and opener. And we'll of course identify whatever issues are going on, but we'll identify potential issues as well. Ideally, when we go out and work on a door, we want that door to be as trouble-free and maintenance-free as possible for 10 to 15 years. So we make sure we look at the entire problem and provide a complete solution before we get started. That's what the difference between a quality garage door company and a part swapper is. Part swapper may be out 2-3 times over the course of a year or two. If we do it, we're going to be out once, and hopefully we're out once within 10 years.